Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. It's time to take a look at the AmpliFi Teleport, the home Wi-Fi that covers the world. It's just this little guy, and it allows you to set up your own personal VPN server without any subscription fees, so you can actually reproduce your home Wi-Fi wherever you are in the world, as long as you have this guy. I do need to give a shout out to AmpliFi for sending this guy over and also sponsoring this video, but let's go ahead and check out the AmpliFi Teleport. And after teasing this router system on social media, come to find out that some of you already have this router and mesh Wi-Fi system. And if that's the case, they do offer a standalone teleport, so you can just purchase the teleport alone. And as a thank you for all of your continued support, AmpliFi is hooking it up with a giveaway for one of these to 3 separate people, so 3 total router and teleport combos. It's extremely easy to enter. You just have to click the link in the description of the video. It takes you to Gleam. They're going to choose a random winner, but you just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow AmpliFi on their Twitter account, and then there's some other extra entries that you can get as well, so just click the link below to enter. Here's the setup I'm working with. You get the AmpliFi router and teleport, and also a mesh Wi-Fi system with a couple of mesh points around my apartment. Now inside you get the teleport, of course, and the very well designed router, which does include a touchscreen, and on the back 4 Ethernet slots, a USB slot, and USB Type-C for charging. Nice that it includes 2 Ethernet cables instead of the usual just 1. And then the mesh points are actually very well designed, very intuitive. They plug into the wall. You can put them just about anywhere around your apartment, and you'll see they are magnetic. So the piece comes apart, you can twist it any which way. The setup process for the router was one of the easiest and quickest I've ever had to do. Just essentially plug and play for everything. You can set it up through the app or even use the touch screen that is on the router itself. For the mesh points, I just picked 2 ends of my apartment and just plugged it on into the wall, and they were ready to go. Just connected it to my home router system. The router is actually really nice to look at. It has an LED underneath, which glows very, very nicely. And on the front, as you can see, it just shows the clock and date, which is nice because I have it sitting next to my desk, so nice I can just glance over and check the time. And with the touch screen, if you tap on it, you get different menus. You get a total amount of data transferred. You get your IPs. You also get speeds, so as devices are using it, the speeds will vary. It'll let you know how much demand is going on with the router, lets you know the port status, and then of course just the date and time. Here's just a quick example of those speeds varying as different devices pull from the internet. When I started watching a YouTube video, download speed spiked because, of course, it needed to download the content. When I upload videos, the upload side spikes. The teleport is a very portable device, and one really nice thing about it is that it has an Ethernet port. So that's very handy in hotels. It's easy to get connected. Just plug it into a wall, plug it into your Ethernet cable that's in the hotel, and you are all set to go. The setup process was as simple as the router setup. It was just plug and play, plug it on in, connect to it via the Wi-Fi network, and it prompts you to do everything. You need to name the teleport and set a password. Make sure the password is secure when you're in a big public space such as a coffee shop, a hotel. You don't want anyone else connecting to it, and that's what makes it so secure, is that you're the only one putting internet traffic through the teleport. After you set that password, it will pair up with your home router, and you're good to go. You can take that little teleport anywhere in the world. Once that teleport's plugged in and booted up, you'll see I named mine AmpliFi Teleport. Just go ahead and connect to it on your device. Type in that specific password. It pops up a screen giving you a list of all the available Wi-Fi networks, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, or Ethernet. Select the one. In this case, it would be potentially hotel Wi-Fi. And then it goes ahead and connects to that Wi-Fi, and just type in that specific password. The teleport connects to the network, reboots, and that's just about it. You're all set with your own personal VPN wherever you are in the world. After using the teleport in different areas, I found that it is extremely reliable. It works very well as a VPN. It works as it should, and that's kind of the main key of any technology. It works how it should. It keeps you secure, it keeps you connected. Speeds will be a little bit slower, as is with all VPNs that you connect to. However, the benefits of the teleport, including that access to your home Wi-Fi network, along with that added security, make it worth those slower speeds. So access to your home Wi-Fi network, what exactly does that mean? Essentially, if you're outside the country and you're trying to watch Netflix, you're going to get different shows because it recognizes you're in a different country. If you connect through the teleport, it will actually think you are back home. on your home Wi-Fi network, and it will show you the Netflix shows back in the US or wherever you call home. You're also able to access files from home servers, home desktops. So for me, if I have a file on my desktop behind me that I need to access while I'm out editing a video at a conference or something like that, I can just go ahead, connect to my teleport, and access that file, drag it over, and transfer it to my laptop. Also, if you have a TV subscription, you can get all your local channels, your news, your local sports teams, all that good stuff, because it reproduces that home Wi-Fi network. And of course, you have tons of connected devices now, including your doorbell, security camera, your thermostat, your smart assistant, your Xbox. All that stuff is all connected to your home network. And you're able to access and edit all of those things once you connect to the teleport. The teleport has dual band antennas and supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. So anyways, that's about it for the AmpliFi Teleport. It has been a really handy, small device, easy to carry with me. Keeps me connected to my home network and keeps me secure with that personal VPN. In terms of the home network, it's been great. It's been very quick, very stable, working how it should. So overall, I would definitely recommend the AmpliFi Teleport router, mesh system, and the AmpliFi Teleport as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Click that thumbs up. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching.